Hi, I'm Joaquin as Santos II. I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering in Mapu University, and I'm here to render 320 hours of OJT. And I'm currently the team leader of the Arduino department. We are currently tasked to create a prototype both for hardware and software, wherein it would help in the production of different polymer products. So mainly the skills that I've gained is related to communication and leadership since I'm really used to working on my own. And communicating with people from different specializations is really a challenge at first, but then we would need to find a way to clearly communicate the task at hand so that we can create a proper prototype. So the most challenging part would be how the previous batch endorsed the project to us in batch 5. So the project that we had was really messy and it didn't really have a clear direction towards the finished prototype. So rerouting that path is actually the biggest challenge of this internship. And the most memorable would be creating an actual hardware or software prototype, which is functional, clean, and easy to learn. In terms of profession, I would say to help me with creative thinking since I do not specialize in software yet. I get to touch things like Django, which is very software sided and web dev sided. And my knowledge before this OJT is mainly leaning towards hardware and circuit development. So I guess you could say that I'm more flexible now. So yes, I would recommend this company, especially if you want professional growth, since unlike in other OJTs or in school, we are guided through every step. But in here, they do give us enough space for us to think by ourselves and as a team. So maybe it did really help me become independent from from our supervisors and from the people who teaches us, and it does help a lot in teaching you how to teach yourself new skills. So thank you for this opportunity for me to become a leader, even if I'm not used to that role. And thank you for giving me enough space to grow and enough resources to build my skills and my resume. Once again, I'm working as Santos II from the Arduino department, batch 5.